Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to give your car that showroom shine with minimal effort. We found this product online and added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's talk about the BLACK+DECKER 6-inch buffer polisher, specifically the WP900 model. So, what is the BLACK+DECKER WP900? This is a versatile orbital car polisher designed to make your car detailing tasks easier and more efficient. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast, a professional detailer, or just someone who values a well-maintained vehicle, this buffer polisher could be a game-changer for you. One of the standout features of the WP900 is its random orbit action. This technology ensures a uniform finish on any surface without leaving swirl marks or uneven patches, which can often be the case with traditional polishers. This means you can achieve that high-quality shine in less time, making it perfect for those who want to get the job done quickly without sacrificing results. Comfort is also a key aspect of this polisher. The WP900 is designed with a two-handle configuration that significantly reduces fatigue during extended use. If you've ever spent hours polishing, you know how uncomfortable it can get. The ergonomic design allows for better control and comfort, which is crucial for those longer detailing sessions. Mobility is another advantage, courtesy of its 10-foot cord. This extended reach gives you the flexibility to move around your vehicle without constantly unplugging or shifting to different power outlets. It's great for working in larger garages or outdoor spaces where access to power may be limited. Additionally, the BLACK+DECKER WP900 comes with a foam applicator for easily applying wax or polish, which simplifies the entire process. It also includes two polishing bonnets, one made from foam and the other from wool, catering to different finishing needs. The foam bonnet is perfect for applying wax, while the wool bonnet is ideal for polishing, giving you versatility for various detailing tasks. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a car enthusiast who loves maintaining your vehicle's appearance, this polisher is a great investment. It's also perfect for professional detailers who need a reliable tool that delivers consistent results. Even if you're a beginner in car detailing, the user-friendly design makes it accessible for anyone looking to enhance their car's finish without professional help. Let's talk about some practical use cases for the WP900. If you've recently had your car repainted or if the paint has seen better days, using this polisher can help restore that glossy finish. It's also ideal for preparing your car for winter or summer by applying protective wax layers. Additionally, if you have a boat or RV, this polisher can be used on those surfaces as well, making it a versatile addition to your detailing arsenal. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER 6-inch buffer polisher WP900 combines efficiency, comfort, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for anyone serious about maintaining the look of their vehicles. Whether you're polishing your car, applying wax, or looking to restore that luster, this polisher does the job effectively. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.